Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I want to talk about not wood carving or maybe carving materials. Which materials we can do carving on it, and please in the comment you can share your experience if you know about the material and you do carving on it. Please share your experience with me. Mainly basswood. Basswood is a very good wood for wood carving, and all wood carvers know about basswood. Okay, second one is golf ball. Golf ball also is a very good material for wood carvers. And my favorite is pencil. I love carving on pencils. This is a Jimbo Faber-Castell pencil. Also, I use regular pencils. It is a bit smaller than this one. And I always buy lots of shape of pencils. I like to collect different shapes. Okay, so also you can use brands, natural wood brands. This is plum, okay, sorry, palm not, plum wood, and I make a pencil extender with this. This is also a branch. I make a pencil extender and I paint it. Also you can use any hardwood. You can carve any hardwood, but it takes time and maybe it is difficult. And bark is my favorite, but unfortunately in my life only once I found couple of bark, and that's it. I don't have a bark anymore, and I love to have some barks again, and the place I live there is no bark, but I use other materials. But if I find the bark again, I will be very happy. And also we can use fruits, potato, carrot, pumpkin, avocado seed. That's it. In my mind I know these things. If you know about other carving materials, please share your experience with me in the comment, and I hope you all in the healthy way. You are all healthy and stay safe. So see you in the next video.